Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log into Dutch-Bangla Bank, the first step that you need to do is go to the official DPBL Nexus online banking page. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar type in Dutch-Bangla Bank. Then once inside or search user loads, simply tap on the first link that is shown to you. Then once you're inside the homepage of the Dutch-Bangla Bank, what you need to do here is select Internet Banking among the options. Then once you're inside there, on the top you will be seeing an option that says log into Internet Banking or apply for two-factor authentication registration. Simply tap on Login Internet Banking, and on tapping it, you will be transferred to the login portal of the Dutch-Bangla Bank Limited. And now all you gotta do is enter in your user ID or customer ID, then enter in your password, and then simply tap on Login. Then once that's done, what you need to do is make sure you carefully type your internet banking password with no caps lock by mistake or no extra spaces. And then once done, DBBL will send a one-time password to your registered mobile number. Simply enter the OTP correctly to continue. And once verified, you will see the DBBL Internet Banking dashboard where you can check balance, transfer money, pay bills, view statements, and manage your cards. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.